Please try this healthy Paneer Recipe Air Fryer, which is crunchy from outside and soft inside. Please try this once and I am sure you would love this. Before I start, please feel free to subscribe my channel. Take 200 grams crushed paneer, 1/2 cup rice flour. Add vegetables of your choice. Take the following spices: add salt to taste. Mix well. Now take a small portion and make a ball like this. In preheated air fryer, place parchment paper. Now place paneer balls one by one. Set air fryer temperature for 15 minutes at 190 degrees C. After 8 minutes, apply oil. Once ready, take this out.
Wow, this looks yummy.
Please do try this healthy Paneer Recipes Air Fryer and let me know your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time with new exciting recipe.